Yes, hello and welcome back on this channel. So on this channel we are gonna share with you a VPN app that will help you to secure your connection at the extra layer of security as you are browsing the internet. So the app is on Google Play Store. Before we head over to Google Play Store, let me take this chance to welcome all viewers or subscribers that you are highly welcomed. And on this channel we share apps that can help you to secure your connection at the extra layer of security when you are online. So open Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. And when you reach on Google Play Store, you search for this app. It's called, the app is known as Let VPN Go. That's how it's named. So you search for that, Let VPN Go, and among the presented you pick this one, Let VPN Go. So after installing this app, take note of the app name, app icon, and after installing it you are required to set it up. So you open the app to set it up, and as we open the app, in case you are new on this channel and you have not yet subscribed on this channel, please you take this time to like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content. And when you subscribe on this channel, you will not miss any of our future coming content. And when you reach in the app home screen, you are required to set it up. So tap on the three lines in the upper left corner, and from here you opt for online update. So this is done to update the app resources so that it can provide you with the best service when you are using it to secure your connection. And after updating the app resources, you are required to do another setting, and the other setting is you are required to pick a server where you see auto server. So you tap here, and then from here you pick your preferred server option. But for today's guide, I recommend you to pick auto server as your connection server. So this is because the app will automatically choose the best performing server in your region in case you pick auto server. And after that, you are required to pick a connection method where you see select tweaks. From here you are required to pick a connection method, and today I have picked the all world UDP. This is because UDP is working for all countries which support UDP, and if UDP is working in your country, this option will definitely work for you. And if this option doesn't work for you, the option of all world UDP, tap here and then you pick your country name. But today we are sharing UDP settings. This is because UDP is fast and secure, and it is working for all countries which support UDP. So you pick that option, and after doing that you are required to continue with the setting. The other setting is you are required to add the time where you see time credit. Tap on this button, and when you utilize this button, this app will start to add on the connection time. And let me tell you that in case it runs out of time, it will stop working. So make sure to stay online and to stay, your connection will be secured in case this app has a lot of time right here. So make sure to add on time and make sure that you utilize this button to add on your connection time. So to insert a super fast and a secure connection and to add an extra layer of security when you are online, you must tap on this start button. And when you tap on this start button, you give this app a few seconds for it to connect. And right now the app is connected. As you can see, the app is right now connected, and that's how we set up Let's Go VPN with all world UDP settings to get a super fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. and let's meet in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content.